Hey Greg, this is Tyler with Leads by Lordi. I wanted to make this video for you and give you a couple tips that you could implement right away to start outranking your competitors online and bringing in some more customers for your business. So I have your website pulled up here and it looks great. I noticed you got it redone a little bit ago. So you got a lot of information on here, but the first thing that I want to talk about is content. And with Google, content is king. They like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words on the home page. And then as far as these service pages go, anywhere from 500 to 1,000. And what that's going to allow you to do is rank for specific keywords related to your business and those services that you offer. Now, I pulled up a report of your website in a tool I utilize called Ahrefs, and it just shows some data of your site, such as the rank, information of your backlinks, which is the second thing we'll talk about here in a minute, your keywords you're currently ranking for, and then the traffic that you're currently bringing in. So what I did was I pulled up a competitor of yours, and I typed in bathroom remodeling Pittsburgh, PA, right? That's obviously one of those keywords that you'd want to rank for, being as, it's one of your services. So when I typed that in, this was one of the first results here, legacy remodeling. And this isn't even their homepage. This is their back page for small bathroom remodeling. All right, so this is what you'd be competing against for that keyword. And I think you're going to like the volume of searches that keyword brings in each month. So this is the page that, they're ranking for on the first page of Google. And they're definitely bringing in some traffic for it. But as you can see here, there's not too much going on. They have a little bit of content, but not the 1,000 to 2,000 or even the 500 to 1,000 for the back page that we had mentioned. So it's definitely outrankable, if you put in 500 to 1,000 words on your, bathroom remodeling page. And that's kind of one of the other things I noticed when I was looking at your services. You have a page for both kitchens and baths. And both of those services, right, they should be separate because kitchens bring in a certain amount of volume and bathrooms bring in a certain amount of volume. So you're losing out on some traffic here by combining them. And obviously, we don't have that 500 to 1,000 words. So we definitely want to increase that. But heading over to Legacy Remodeling's report here in Ahrefs, I want to show you here a little bit of a difference. You can see their rank, information of their backlinks here, which, like I said, we'll get into. But I want to show you these keywords and look at this value and the traffic that they're bringing in because of these keywords, okay? So let's take a look what they're ranking for, what's working for them, and then, what you can utilize for your site to get you to outrank these guys. So you can see, a lot of position ones on the first page here, and right away we see bathroom remodeling Pittsburgh, PA, bathroom remodeling Pittsburgh, PA. That's bringing in a combined 250 searches a month, and then they're bringing in 72 searches a month for those two keywords. And then even this one, they bring in 80 volume and 29 traffic. So they're bringing in quite a bit of traffic from all this volume, focusing in on those three keywords, right? So if you were to create a bathroom page in and of itself, okay, focusing on that, content, you could definitely see a difference and start bringing in more traffic and more customers, right? So the next thing I wanted to talk about were the backlinks. So let's head back into your report here. Backlink really is just a vote of confidence. It's a link from one site to another. And when people click that link, it tells them that you have relevant content that they're looking for. Okay, so right here it shows the referring domains, and that's how many sites are pointing back to yours. This shows the amount of backlinks coming from that link. And then the UR and DR here is really just some metrics to show the trust and the power of your backlink profile, because not all backlinks are created equal. Okay, so we want higher quality backlinks and higher quality content, all right, which will help us obviously rank for those keywords. Now, the next thing I wanted to take a look at was a different service. Obviously you do interior, but you do exterior as well. So I picked roofing here. And, again, you're going to like the volume that Roofing Pittsburgh brings in. So this was one of the first results that we had found here, doing it right, roofing, siding, remodeling. Okay, we'll get rid of this. And as we scroll down their site, it's a pretty nice site, laid out nice. It's got a good bit of content as we scroll down here, but you could definitely beat them out with 1,000 to 2,000 words. All right, so let's take a look at their report. We can see their rank. The trust and power is up there, right? They have 119 sites pointing back to theirs, giving them 1,000 backlinks. All right, they're ranking for 318 keywords, and we can take a look at what's working for them as well, and as far as roofing. So kind of the same thing we talked about with, the kitchens and bathrooms. You'd want a roofing page in and of itself, and you want to be able to rank for these keywords, such as, let's see here, roofing contractor, Pittsburgh, PA, roofing contractor, Pittsburgh, PA again. So here we go. Here's some good ones. Roofing Pittsburgh, PA. It's bringing in 200 searches a month. Okay, and you can see the traffic that they're bringing in. So that's definitely a great keyword there. And let's see, roof repair Pittsburgh. That's a good one. Pittsburgh roofing. So a lot of variations of the word and a lot of opportunity to rank for these keywords with the correct content on your site. Okay, and then you can see the traffic that they're bringing in. So adding in high quality content on your site, creating maybe a couple more pages, focusing in on those services will definitely help you outrank your competitors. Okay, and then obviously adding in high quality backlinks will do the same. So we talked about content, we talked about backlinks. The last thing I want to touch upon are citations. And a citation is your name, address, and phone number. And we list those in business directories online, such as Yellow Pages. Okay, and what we do with that is we boost up this Google My Business listing. So adding in high quality citations, okay, and optimizing this Google listing is going to help you get ranked in the map pack section. So just like you can get your website ranked on the first page of Google, you can get your Google listing ranked as well. You want to make sure it's optimized with pictures, great content, and obviously these 5-star Google reviews. Okay, and when we type in something such as roofing Pittsburgh, bathroom remodeling Pittsburgh, whatever it might be right here into Google, a lot of times you see this ad section, right, with businesses that are running ads. But let's be honest with you, a lot of us skip those ads and we come right down here into this map pack section. This is where your Google My Business listing will end up if it's optimized with those citations and all those, things that we had mentioned. So, if it's, pizza place near me or plumbing service or really anything that people are looking for on Google, they're going to gravitate towards this map pack. And they're going to come to these 5-star reviews, and they're going to believe Google to send them to the top-rated businesses. So there's no reason for them to hit the view all button. These guys are getting all the website clicks and all the phone calls, right? So add in high-quality citations and optimize that listing to get you here in the map pack. Now down here, right, we talked about content and backlinks. We want to optimize that as well in order to get into this organic section. All right, so you could own this first page of Google by getting into the map pack and a couple of results here in the organic section, utilizing those tips, content, backlinks, and citations. I hope you found the information in this video helpful. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give me a call. I'd love to find out a little bit more about you and your business. Here's my business website, leadsbylordeye.com. We are based out of Philadelphia, but we're in the Pittsburgh area all the time as well. So here's my phone number in the top right corner, and I look forward to talking to you soon.